Here I have Poco C40, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on three stripes here, go to its settings, and here you can change volume buttons function. You can set it to shutter, timer 2 seconds, zoom, or just volume. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. And as you can see right now, with volume buttons I can zoom in or zoom out. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.